Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to graph linear equations using two different methods. First here, I'm going to be using the slope-intercept form. It's uh, the main, basic way to do it. I really like this way. It's pretty simple for me. Uh, so what we're trying to do here with this is getting the equation from what it is here, x minus 2y equals 6, into y equals mx plus b form. So we need to get y by itself here on the left. And right now it's got a lot of company. So what we're going to do is we just want to move the x on the other side. That's the first thing you want to do. So we'll do that. Subtract the x, so we'll be left with negative 2y equals negative x plus 6. Okay, and then we'll divide by negative 2, leaving with y equals, okay, negative x divided by negative 2 is going to leave you with a positive 1/2 times x minus 3. Okay, so now we've arrived at what we want to get, y equals mx plus b form. The negative 3 there is the b, which is the y-intercept. So here on the y-axis, over here on the graph, you can plot a point right here at negative 3. And the slope here, the b, which is 1 over 2, means that you'll find a point at every time you go up 1 and to the right 2. So there'll be a point about here, up 1 over 2, about there, maybe just one more up, but we'll go the other way. It applies the other way. So this way, since it has a positive slope, be up 1, right 2. The other way will be down 1, left 2, like that. And there you go. Draw the line out. Okay, that's one way. And now we're going to go down here to the bottom and do a table of values, which I don't like as much. I usually don't go for it, but it is a good way if you want to figure out the exact points instead of having to kind of guess the points like you would with slope-intercept form, going up 1, right 2, and such. This way you find out what the exact points are every time. And I'll show you what I mean here. So this one's already a bit simplified. 2y equals 6x minus 2. So all we need to do here is divide by 2, leave you with y equals 3x minus 1. And just like in the first one, you already have the y-intercept here. It's already in y equals mx plus b form. So we will go over here to the graph to negative 1, plot a point. But what's the big difference is you are going to be plugging in numbers for x, and that will help you find a y, and you'll know where on the graph to plot the points. So we will go with a positive 1, just keep it easy, simple. Plug in a 1, so y equals 3 times 1 minus 1, y equals 3 minus 1, so 2. Okay, we'll do another one. Before we plot any more points, go with negative 1, get it going the other direction. Y equals 3 minus times negative 1, sorry. And then bring that down. Y equals negative 3 minus 1, so negative 4. So here, with the x equaling 1, the y will equal 2. So right 1, up 2. There you go. When x equals negative 1, y equals negative 4. So left 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and just draw a line through as straight as you can, hopefully straighter than what I just did. Okay, and there you go. Those are two very, very simple, practical ways to graph a linear equation.